Katie.Pix and welcome to Will.
Hi.
Will is a fitness expert. Is that your official title?
Yeah, we'll go with personal trainer, but
Personal
yeah, fitness
trainer,
expert will take.
Gym owner,
Yeah.
fitness knowledge extraordinaire.
Yeah.
And I brought Phil here to... Phil?
Bloody hell, woman.
So I did.
Okay, Mary.
I combined fitness and Will.
Okay, Mary, let's go.
So I just call it, sorry man. Will has taken me on a fitness journey. I did a 12-week transformation. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you click the link in the description box. I'm now flipping the tables, and instead of being the one being told what to do, because he's horrible and vicious, I'm going to show Will I'm going to boss you around the kitchen, basically. Yeah. So today we are going for an Italian-inspired dish. Okay?
Lovely.
This was actually taught to me by Mr. Jamie Oliver, and it's called Acqua pazza, which is crazy water it's called, and it's the idea of essentially poaching your fish in beautiful flavours, delicious broth kind of thing, and it makes the water flavoursome and absorbs all the juices, and it's just brilliant. And you know what else? It's super clean and healthy. So
That's
you
why
can't
I'm here,
even,
isn't it?
yeah, there's no guilt involved in it at all. Should we get cooking?
Where should we start, my love?
Right, if you can start by please putting a drizzle of oil. And we're going to start by making a sort of sofrito, which is like the starting base of a lot of ragu. So it's the onion, carrot mix that goes into the beginning of a ragu. So we're going to go in with 1 carrot finely diced. Oh. You're also going to go in there with 2 spring onions, again finely sliced. And we're also going to go in there with some fennel. So we're just going to whack a bit of salt in there as well to try and draw out the moisture and to soften everything down. We're going to soften this for about 4 minutes. What is your top tip for anyone who is not interested in fitness but wants to be? How do you get the motivation?
I think the main thing is you've got to try and find something that you enjoy doing.
Yeah.
So, for example, I don't really like running, so I'm not going to start running as my goal to fitness.
Yeah.
So it might be join a sports team if you're into team sports. It might be just get a little bit of help, and that's where like things like personal training come into play. So if you've never lifted a weight before or anything like that, that's something that we can really help you with.
So much fun. Right, I'm happy with this. I'm going to bring the heat up a little bit, and we're going to go in with our garlic. I've got 3 cloves of garlic.
Lovely.
The reason I'm putting them in a bit later is because I don't want them to catch. 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, preferably on the vine, just means that they get a lovely bit of flavour, but I've just lopped them off and sliced them in half. That can go right in there. We're going to go in with, let's go in with about the equivalent of in fact, go 2 pinches of chilli.
Pinches.
Yeah, don't want to go too crazy. And we're going to go in there with some olives as well. So I've got here just a handful of olives. And actually, once you put them in, some of them you can leave whole, some of them just give them a scrunch and break them up a little bit. We're just going to let that sit on the pan for, again, about 4 minutes. We just want it to start sweating down, getting a little bit of colour this time as well, which is why we popped the heat up.
Very nice.
We're now going to take our fish. Now, whole fish is best for this recipe.
Yeah.
Any sort of white fish is also best. White fish is also naturally a bit less fatty and oily.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a cleaner fish.
Very high in protein.
Very high in protein. Whole fish as well just means you're going to get way more meat. Like you get so much more for your money when you buy fish whole. And you can do exactly what I've done, which is just ask the fishmonger to take out the guts and lop off the head and all that jazz.
Nice.
Easy.
And what fish is this?
This is sea bream. So a lovely, very delicate when it's cooked, but meaty, but just a really flavoursome fish. Lovely, very meaty flavoured. I just want you to score the outside of it on each side. So just 3 lines in, bringing the knife across it, but not cutting all the way through.
Like side on.
Yeah, just 3 slices on each side. So I've got here about half a bunch of parsley. I'm going to take half of it and just whack it inside our fish.
Oh.
Lovely, and then that is going to sit straight onto the top of our veggies. Yeah, lovely. So our fish is now sat on top. This is the only part that is technically not the healthiest part of the recipe. And you can leave this out, but it's an alcohol, it does burn away, it leaves a bit of the sugars, but you're not going to have a huge amount once it will evaporate.
Okay.
It's a little treat. If you don't want to use this, you don't have to, but Let's trust the Italians.
Well, I think, yeah, let's go with it.
So, heat is up. 1 glass of white wine is going to go into the bottom.
Ooh.
And you're just going to let that heat bubble it away. Once it's evaporated and reduced, we're going to chuck another bit of salt and pepper on. And then we're going to add in 300 mils of water, pop the lid on, and then we're going to check it in 10 minutes time and we'll have dinner.
Too easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
How easy is that? Right, the fish has been uncovered now for a little bit, just to let that lovely water reduce a bit more. I'm going to go in with some lovely fresh lemon. Let's hit it up.
Give it a squeeze.
Why not? And we're going to hit it up with some more fresh herbs. So that's that mint and that parsley. Just to keep everything lovely and fresh. And then we're ready to serve up, my friend.
Looks so good.
I'm excited for this one.
I'm excited for this one a lot.
Right, so I've just put a little bit of quinoa in here. Again, keeping everything nice and healthy, getting your grains in, which is great for your fibre.
Yep.
We all know that the world needs fibre. And then I'm going to go on with the fish. Look at that. Oh, it's breaking apart already. One for me, one for you.
Lovely.
And sauces. Bon appetit? No, that's French. What's Italian? No, I'm engaged to an Italian man and I have no idea what the Italian for... That's French. Bueno? Buone? Buone? Bueno? I am so sorry.
She's in trouble.
Yeah, I am.
Right.
Right. Yeah. I mean, I might just go straight into the fish.
I'm going for the fish.
Because it's chunky and delicious.
We need a bit more salt.
It doesn't, by the way. He's taking the mick because I really like salt.
It's
Have you
really
tried?
good.
Try the sauce here. Get some of that quinoa and get some of the sauce in.
You know when people do like tasting on telly, and they're like, "Oh my goodness, that's amazing," but they don't just put it in their mouth.
So you haven't savoured it?
Yeah.
Fair.
You've got a little bit of time, haven't you?
So you're waiting, you're
That is
deciding
great.
what you're thinking,
That
are
is
you?
really good. The fish was really, really good.
That is so rich in flavour. It's fresh, it's exciting, it's clean. It means that you can eat beautiful food without feeling the guilt about it.
That is really tasty, and I'm over the moon with that.
Oh,
Well done.
thanks,
That was
mate.
really, really good.
Thank you so much for helping me out as
Thank
well.
you so much for having
AKA
me.
doing all the work and letting me just point you in the right direction.
It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you click all the links below. You can find out all about Revolution. Representing in the description box. If you want to see more fabulously fit recipes, or any recipes to be exact, make sure you go and check out all the links and leave me a comment if there's a particular one you want to see. We can make it happen.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for watching, and we'll speak to you very soon. Oh, bye-bye. Do you actually like it?
I actually like it.